after his crash in Atlanta coming up, you'll see right here, Nate Thrasher has come out on his Instagram today with a little update for it, saying, quote, "We had a perfect day going in Atlanta, going P1 in qualifying and then getting the heat race win. Unfortunately, I had a hard crash in the main, which caused me to dislocate my hip, plus break my collarbone. They were able to put my hip back in place, but when I got a CAT scan, they noticed a few bone fragments, so we are waiting to get surgery on that. I really appreciate everyone that has reached out. Thanks to my team, my sponsors for all the support. I'll keep you guys updated." So sadly, this is the second week in a row where somebody has had a massive crash with a dislocated joint, hip both time, between Nate Thrasher and Craig, and you can see him crawling right there. He knew instantly something was very wrong. And there's the post right there if you want to read it for yourself. But it's kind of sad because this fully hands over the title to Hunter. Not that I hate Hunter or anything, but I'm a fan of competition and racing, so it always sucks to see people that are seeing anyone injured, but seeing people especially who are in the championship fight injured. And you gotta say too, this puts a big dampen on his overall season, and especially for outdoors, because we're only 3, 4, 5 weeks before outdoors starts, and now he's got to heal from this, have surgery to take out the bone fragments, and then heal from that and get back on the bike and be fit again. And who knows, it sucks to see, but hopefully, in a few weeks we get an update and everything's progressing nicely. But I don't know, tell me in the comments below, why do you think so many dislocations this year? I don't know, you're going to a race, are you excited for outdoors and for Supercross to be over, or whatever it is you want to comment? Just do it down below, because it really helps me out. And as you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, because doing the YouTube algorithm thing, it all really helps, and I appreciate it. With that, I will see y'all later. Peace.